Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add multiple links on your bio Instagram account. As you can see, there is a link in my bio which is my maps, and I will add more. You can just click edit profile here, and then you can see there is option links. You can click it, and now you can just add another link like this. Click add external link, and let's say I just random, like google.com, and then just Google. Can click OK here. Now you have two links. If you back to your profile, and now you have two links, and you can add more. Just repeat the steps. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.